This presentation is brought to you by Terry Frazer's RV Center in Eldridge, Iowa. Terry Frazer's RV Center, where there's no extra freight charge, no extra prep fee, no battery fee, no hidden finance fee, finance here or not, same low price. At Terry Frazer's, get a lifetime of experience. This is a 2021 Tracer LE, model number 190RBSLE by Prime Time, a division of Forest River, and this presentation comes to you compliments of Terry Frazer's RV Center in Eldridge, Iowa. Okay, we're going to start with the front swept aerodynamic front there, below which we've got the diamond plate appearance rock chip guard, utility light to the side, cranked out stabilizer jack, twin 20-pound LP tanks, and the deluxe molded easy access top carrier covered there. Now we do have the battery in the box, which will be installed upon ship out. It's not on there now, but we will have it installed upon ship out. It's not some fancy expensive option or extra. No, it's included with the sale of the unit. You're going to need it, you're going to want it, you're going to get it. Alright, 4 integral frame-mounted stabilizer jacks, obviously one to a corner. That is a full pass-through storage hatch with magnet grab for the hatch cover. Fresh water connection on the top, in the middle of which we have there your solar connection for an optional addition of an optional solar kit. Cable, coax cable connection there, and low point drains and freshwater drains conveniently located underneath that. Okay, single slide out on this floor plan here. Smooth fiberglass finish, radius cut tinted safety glass windows. Now you have duals on this unit, tandems. Those are nitrogen filled radial tires on steel rims. Okay, 30 amp electrical service with a twist lock removable short power cord. Over above that you have the city water connection. Now, exterior shower, obviously you can see that right there. That's your 6-gallon gas and electric water heater. That's with direct spark ignition. There's your sewer connections on there as well. You have a fully sealed underbelly there for extended season peace of mind. We'll take a look at it from the back side here. Up on top is your prep work where you make it very easy. It's very easy to add an optional backup or rear vision camera. Now, an option that is included on this unit, that's going to be the spare tire right here on the carrier on the rear. Now, coming around towards the camping side here, we've got the awning deployed. That's an electrically deployed awning, a generous size for a unit of this size. That's a 15-foot electric awning with the backlit LED accent lights included. Down underneath here on the corner, LP gas quick connect. Here is your furnace outlet right there, which is for a 25,000 BTU fully ducted furnace. We'll discover that on the inside as well. We're going to take a look at it from the wide angle here. Okay, exterior speakers with the accent LED lighting in behind it there. GFCI protected electrical outlet on the exterior. Oh, don't forget the cab lifter. Alright, 3-step foldaway staircase, and away you go. This is your radius cut door there with the deadbolt security and the screen door on the inside too. Pet securement D-ring, foldaway D-ring for pet securement. Right through there. Now, here we go with your pass-through storage and magnet grab on the hatch cover. Check this out. Pretty decent amount of storage on the inside here for a unit of this size. Very generous pass-through storage afforded on this unit. Okay, let's step on to the inside with another reminder. This presentation is brought to you by Terry Frazer's RV Center in Eldridge, Iowa. Alright, here's the foldaway de-assist entry handle. As we step into the inside, the camera adjusts. I'll mention this is the Portobello interior decor. Other interior decor options may be available. Simply inquire regarding availability. Alright, here, let's start right where we stepped in here. Systems monitor panel. There, I should say, rather than monitor panel, this is the light switch control center. Also has your switches for the deployment of the awning and the slide out. Okay, on over to the kitchen. Acrylic deep sink there with a high-rise faucet and a functional window behind it there and some storage. Here we've got your microwave oven, stainless steel front microwave oven, and here is your range hood. Now this is a flush range top with the glass cover, fold away the glass cover, 3-burner high output range top with backlit controls, and the oven below. The oven is an option that is included on this particular unit. So we do have the oven included on this one with the light in the oven as well. Okay, Again, that was a fully ducted 25,000 BTU furnace. There's one of the outlets for it there. Okay, here is your domestic gas and electric refrigerator and freezer. 6 cubic foot in size, as you can tell. There's your thermostat right over there. All right, why not? Let's go to everyone's favorite room. Yeah, the Biffy. Okay, here you go. Foot flush, domestic stool there. Plenty of storage above which you've got a little hutch there. Stepping over to here, vanity, sink, GFCI protected electrical outlet on the side there. Here would be the medicine cabinet, motion detector, motion activated lighting here. Look at that. Away we go. Alright, shower. Full shower surround. ABS shower surround goes all the way up until you've got the vent / skylight overhead. Oh, yeah, the vent. That's the vent. You're gonna want the vent. Okay, back out we go. Entertainment center area. Here's where you're prepped for the easy addition of an optional HD TV. It would go right in here. We can add that for you. That's an option we can add very simply, quickly, easily. $295, bang, away you go. But this is the prep area for it. Soundbar here. This is equipped with both HDMI and USB inputs, and it's ready to go. Okay, over to here is a convertible dinette. This will convert over to an additional sleeping area. You can sleep up to 2 additional people, bringing your grand total sleeping capacity in this unit to 4. Okay, elegant window treatments in behind it there, and lighting. Nice tall slide out as well. Alright, up to the rooftop we go. And this is a 13,500 BTU fully ducted air conditioning unit. Towards the front, egress window here. It's a full functional window, so you can open that up with a valance over the top. Shirt closets to the side. Not 1 but 2 reading lights for the bed. And we can call that, for camping purposes, a queen-sized bed. Alright, another shirt closet over to the side, a his and hers shirt closet. Omnidirectional rooftop TV and radio antenna. There's a control for that right up there. Okay, gross vehicle weight rating. Okay, here's some impressive numbers for you here. Gross vehicle weight rating of 7,485 pounds. But your dry weight, only 4,093 pounds. Yes, dry weight of only 4,093, might as well call it 4,100 pounds. That gives you a whopping cargo carrying capacity of 3,354 pounds. You're easily to go with a weight distribution hitch if you'd like. Okay, I think we've fairly well covered everything inside this 2021 Tracer LE travel trailer. Again, this is model number 190RBSLE. That's by Prime Time. And that's a division of Forest River, of course. And that's our chance to throw in our final reminder that this presentation has been brought to you by Terry Frazer's RV Center in Eldridge, Iowa. As always, thank you.